Hi, my name is John Martin.
And I'm Rafael Galliano, and we are with Park Winters in beautiful Yolo County.
So Park Winters is a place where we are pretty multifaceted in that we not only have a hospitality element where we host weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, corporate events. We also have a historic inn where we have 4 overnight rooms where guests can stay and take in all the beauty of the property. But we have a farm component as well, where we have a beautiful flower farm. We offer many different types of classes and experiences, and it's growing every day. The interactive experiences we have would be pick your own bouquet, and then we have the dried floral experience. Then that way there's an indoor experience year-round. And then we also have a seasonal wreath-making class. Yeah, we're both very involved. We often say that Rafael's in charge of everything you see, and then I'm in charge of everything you experience.
So sustainability is a very important part of our property. We are proud to say that all of the waste from our kitchen and from our weddings all gets turned into compost, and we turn it into our flower rows. So there's a whole cycle going on.
When it comes to locally sourcing, it is almost impossible not to. We happen to be in the breadbasket of California, where all the amazing organic farms are located.
Give yourself the gift of simple country luxury at Park Winters. It is a true one-of-a-kind experience that we put all our hearts and soul into giving you.